We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, doing a full transition from the dip area in yesterday's pre-market to today's rip area, and within today's volatility, our SPY bot at 11:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen on the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY pushing up higher, hitting new resistance and approaching 395, guys. We're going to break down some key levels here in the inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our Discord and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 10:10 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within minutes. And as you see, they're popping up on the screen within the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, the link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition after falling down from the rip area to the dip area in yesterday's pre-market, from the dip area to the rip area today. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. Now in today's video, I'm also going to pull up inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY under a bull indicator here since 387, after canceling that last bear indicator from around 391, 390 area. The inflows picked back up and they've been dominating since yesterday, and we've hit highs here of inflows of 4.35. Now this is critical because we are hitting newer highs here on these inflows, and based off the history of the chart back on the 6th and the 9th, we hit highs here of inflows of 5.57 and also here of 8.0. Now I'm watching that very carefully here, and that's what I would watch if these inflows could continue up to those areas. Not guaranteed to, but something to not overlook. Based off the inflow versus outflow, it has room to go higher. Now if it stagnates or slows down and switches from green to red and starts pulling back down towards the midpoint, that could start reflecting into the chart. Now we do have a bull indicator here since 387. We've broken through key resistance and we've reached a key resistance level above 390, which is 395. And I stated in yesterday's video that if it continued higher and it breaks through 395, I would watch carefully how it reacts between 395 and 400. Now we're going to break it all down in today's video on what key levels I would watch after today's price action. So right now, the bulls have been dominating since yesterday. The inflows have been strong and everyone was shaken up with Jay Powell's speech. He turns out to not talk about monetary policy at all. And now what we have to shake up the markets higher or back down to these support levels is tomorrow's CPI data. Now, let's go ahead and look at this on the 15 minute. So on the 15 minute, inflows have been strong since yesterday as well. Very strong bull indicator here, has not gotten canceled by a bear indicator. And the first thing I would watch is if these outflows start to begin and pull back down towards the midpoint or even cross it, because if it does, it could start retesting key support levels and possibly even cancel this out, right? This bull indicator that we see here on the charts. So let's go ahead and look at this back out towards the 30 minute. And here we see, again, the inflows are strong. We need to watch this very carefully for these inflows to stay above the midpoint. This bull indicator needs to continue to hold true and not get canceled by a bear indicator. But if we zoom out to the 1 hour here, we could see that on the 1 hour, inflows crossed over yesterday. And I showed this in yesterday's video that on the 1 hour it had 30 minutes left for this bull indicator to close. It had not closed yet, and it did. It confirmed, and that bullishness continued from way down here at around 389, 390 area, and it continued into the highs of today of 395. And the inflows were above the midpoint, and they've hit highs here of 5.50. Now, the highs that we hit recently was up here at 8.6, and this is critical because based off the inflows, it has room to go higher. Again, not guaranteed to, but if it did it back here when it was at 392, it's definitely something to not overlook if these inflows continue strong and if they can break out towards those levels of inflows or even higher, right? Now, let's talk about key levels that I would watch going into tomorrow to the upside and to the downside. Now, the first support that I would watch here is 392. You could see that support there when things pulled back and they set up, as I like to call it, for the next bull run and has ran up to 395. That is the first support that used to be the resistance before 395 that I would watch. Now, if that gets broken through, the next support below that is 390 and then all the way back down to where this bull indicator popped up, where 387, 385 area is crucial, guys. Now, to the upside, we have some key levels to watch because right now we're at 395 at a key resistance, and the next one above that I would watch very closely is 400, guys. 400 is that psychological level, as I've shown before in previous videos and broken it down, a lot of different articles and a lot of different forums, and everyone points to it as that psychological level where the bulls and bears are putting up a fight. And this is not financial advice, just my opinion and perspective alone and my due diligence from what I've seen. This is the point where if it's above it, a lot of people are speculating that the bulls are in control. And if we're below 400, the bears are in control, right? So that is crucial. And here we are with the inflows up. And if these inflows pull back down, those are the key supports that I'd watch to the downside. And if this bull indicator gets canceled by a bear indicator in the process, with these inflows coming back down towards the midpoint, and if these inflows stay above on the 30 minute as well as on the 1 hour, I'm going to be watching if these bull indicators can hold true and that the strength continues to the upside as it tries to test new resistance levels, and especially the volatility here on the 15 minute. I'm going to be watching it very carefully, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.